Hello everyone, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to avoid ferries in Google Maps. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Google Maps. Then tap on profile icon and tap on settings. Scroll down, select navigation settings, scroll down, avoid ferries, tap here. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.